Hi everyone, how to make meat pie. Into this recipe, I'm going to show you how to make Nigerian meat pie. Very delicious. Welcome to my channel. My name is Olayemi and welcome to Olayemi Cooking Channel. These are the ingredients we are going to be needing to make our filling for our meat pie. This snack is very delicious and it's very easy to make. In a pot, I'm going to add my diced onion. I'll allow this to fry for some minutes. Not to fry, then I'll just go ahead and add our beef. I'm using grounded beef. You can use chicken if it's that you want, but I'm using beef for this recipe. So we are going to fry this beef. We are going to cook this beef until it loses its pink color. So we are going to cook that, and then we are going to go ahead and add other ingredients. For returning viewers and new viewers and new subscribers, thanks so much for your support. I really appreciate your support. Keep watching my videos. More videos are coming. So I'm going to go ahead and add our other ingredients. I'm going to add some salt to season it. Then I'm going to add beef seasoning. I'm using beef seasoning. You can use any seasoning of your choice. Then if you've yet to like this video, please give this video a like and subscribe to our channel so you get updated of our new video. I'm going to add thyme leaf, dry thyme leaf, then pepper. So I'm going to stir it. So just a little pinch. I don't want it to be spicy. I just want to have that flavor of paprika. Then I'm going to add some chopped onions, and then go ahead and add our chopped potatoes as well. So at this time, I'm just going to combine everything and allow everything to be cooked. So this is what I'll be using for the filling. You can check for the seasoning, but the seasoning I use is perfectly okay for it. You don't need to add too much seasoning. You don't need to add too much salt because it's just the filling of the meat pie. So this is how to make your Nigerian meat pie. So we are going to cover this and allow the potato to be, the vegetable to well cook with the beef stock that is in the beef. So to make it more thick, you can use 2 teaspoons of flour or cornflour. So either one is perfectly okay. Then you mix it with warm water or room temperature water. Then you add it into the filling to make it more thick. For more thick, you want your filling to be more thick. So that's why I'm adding this. You can see there's still little sauce stock in the beef, the filling that we are preparing. So I just want to add that to make it cook perfectly until the potato is well soft. You need it to be well ready. So I'm going to add this to make it more thick. So that's the purpose of adding the mixed liquid into it, the mixed flour or the mixed cornflour. So if you've yet to comment in this video, please remember to drop down a comment in the comment section if you have any question regarding this meat pie recipe. So I'll allow this to cook. After some minutes, let's check if it's ready. So we are going to cook this until the water is dry because we don't want liquid in our filling. So where we are preparing it. So this is ready. We are going to go ahead and start making our meat pie dough. So in a bowl, I'm going to add my flour. I'm using all-purpose flour. Then I'm going to add some sugar, and as well I'm going to go ahead and add some salt. Just give it a quick mix to combine my dry ingredients. I'll combine my dry ingredients just to get that perfect texture of our flour. I'm going to add some butter. I'm using cold butter. I'm using unsalted butter. Please use unsalted butter since we already add some salt into the flour. So I'm going to mix my flour, my butter until all the ingredients are perfectly mixed. Just mix this until everything is perfectly mixed. So this is the how it looks, is where I'm perfectly mixed. You can use water to make your dough, or you can as well use milk. I'll be using milk to make my dough, so I'll quickly work this until everything is well mixed. but do not over add your liquid. So I'm just going to add some flour on the surface. Don't work the dough, just form it, let everything run together. Then I'm going to use clean wrapper to wrap it and put it in the refrigerator for 30 minutes until everything is cold, and as well let my filling be cold as well. But we are going to do our egg wash to rub our dough when we are making our meat pie. So this is how to make your egg dough. I just crack one egg into a bowl, then I'm going to mix with my fork. So to mix properly mix, because I'm going to need it to make my meat pie brown in color. So after 30 minutes, now let's start making our meat pie. I'll add some flour in the surface, just little, not too much. Then I'll cut my dough into 4 or 3 pieces. It all depends how big is your dough. So I just cut mine into 4. So I'll start rolling. You are going to need a rolling pin to do this. But if you don't have a rolling pin, you can use an empty bottle to do this as well. I remember I've tried using empty bottle as my rolling pin once. So I'll roll this flat. Don't over roll it too flat, but not too thick. So you can use a meat pie cutter to cut it, or you can use any round plate or any round bowl, or any round small, this it all depends on the size you want to make for your meat pie. Any round shape or any round bowl to cut it. So you can as well use your pot, your smallest pot cover to cut the dough as well, just to get a round shape. So we are going to remove the excess, then we'll start making our meat pie. If you are using a meat pie cutter to do that, you just put it on the surface, then you put your filling and you rub your egg wash on it, or you rub your egg wash first, put your filling, and you just close and remove all the excess. That is when, if you have a meat pie cutter just like this. So I just remove the excess, then I'll remove my meat pie dough from it. You can see everything come out perfectly. Then if you don't have, you can use just a round shape to cut your shape. Then you rub your egg wash in the surface so it will be easy to seal. Then you put your filling. After putting your filling, you cover it, and you can go ahead and use your fork to seal your meat pie. So this is normal shape we normally use to make our meat pie. You can also do another shape of it. So I'll just cover it, then I'll use my fork to press to get that shape of meat pie. So just to seal it so it will not be bringing out the filling. So this is how to do it. And if you find it that is not well seal, or is not well round the way you want it, you can use other things to cut the edges to make it look perfect like this. Then I'll just use my egg wash to rub the surface so it will be properly brown when I bake it. Then I will go ahead and use the fork again to just put some hole to release the hair from it when I'm baking it. So that is the purpose of using the fork to put a hole. You can decide not to do it now. You can decide that when it's in the oven, you just use the fork to check it. So you can do either method. So I do each method, and if one I prefer, I can do this, I can do that when it's in the oven. Please, if not like this video, please give this video a like. And if you've not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe and hit the bell icon to get updated. So we are going to do on that shape, which is the round shape. You can use this for the chicken pie, you can use it for the meat pie as well. So this is it, just got the round shape, you use another extra one to cover it, then you use the fork to seal each side. If you don't have the tools for it, you can do the manual one, which is very easy as well. So we just go ahead and seal everything as well. Seal all the edges. If you have too much excess, you can trim the excess as well, or you can leave it that way. So you go ahead and brush the dough with your egg wash as well. So it can still also repeat the same procedure by using the fork to give it a hole, just to release the hair in the meat pie. So just go ahead and put it in a tray and put it inside the oven and bake it until it's golden brown. So this is the outcome after baking our meat pie. Our meat pie is ready. It looks really delicious. My kids can't even wait to start eating this. It's very delicious and it tastes yummy. I can't wait to eat this. So this is the final outcome. You can see the filling. Everything come out perfectly while our meat pie should look. Thanks so much for watching my meat pie. If you have any question about how to make Nigerian meat pie, please leave it in the comment section. Hope to see you all in my next video, and please be safe out there, and bye bye.